In this video, I'll show you how to remove grid lines on Microsoft Excel. So at first, open up your Excel and then open up any document. So if you want to remove grid lines from this data, just select your specific table and then click on View tab. And on the Show option, you can see grid lines. So just uncheck this option and it's done. You can see grid lines are removed successfully. So if you want to remove grid line from this data, just click on View tab. And here you can see grid lines option under the Show. So just uncheck this option and it's done. You can see grid lines are removed successfully. You can also use another method to remove grid lines. Just bring it back again and then click on Home tab and then select any specific cell and then click on Fill option, then select white color, and that's it. You can see grid lines are removed again. And that is how you can remove grid line on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.